It's Sunday, and I started on this Ram with the headers. As you can see, I got the old ones out. I got the big old pipe, which is the white pipe with the X pipe. Technically, it's a true dual exhaust with the X pipe, and then it goes out to duals. I got the headers somewhat in. They're just kind of just sitting there right now because I need to go run to a hardware store because the headers didn't come with hardware because he got them used, but they're about ½ an inch shorter. Well, I need ½ an inch shorter bolts. But yeah, I got both sides pretty much good to go. I got the dipstick out because it has to be out of the way. I got on this side, on the driver's side, you know, you disconnect the steering shaft, and as you can see, I got this one right where it needs to be at, to be honest. Like I said, I need to run to the hardware store, but I can't run to the hardware store quite yet because I have someone looking at my truck. That thing's probably gonna be sold today. Yeah? Alright guys, quick little update. The truck actually ended up being sold it today. It's a sad moment for me because I've had that thing for 3 years. It was my favorite truck. I'm gonna miss it. I've had so much fun in it, but I think it was time to let it go for something new, something better, like always. But anyways, back to what I was doing, installing these headers. I left off where I needed hardware. I just literally got back from the hardware store. I picked up a whole bunch of hardware. I know it's 2 different colors, but it's the same bolt pattern. It's the same bolt, 10.9 bolts. So I'm really not too worried about it. I'll just go half and half. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and get this hardware on, get the headers mounted because I'm so close, and then see if I could put this big old pipe in and then leave it at that. I also got O2 sensors I got to put in, which actually I forgot to pick one up, so I might have to go to the store again and pick up another O2 sensor. So that's gonna be fun. But yeah, that's just a quick little update that I wanted to give you guys real quick. Like I said, pretty sad moment. The truck is gone. I cried a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie. Letting it go, it's tough because like I said, that was my favorite truck and that was my only truck. So on to better and bigger things, I guess. All right guys, so I got the headers installed, both sides, left and right. I got everything almost back together. I got the, you know, the steering shaft put back on, the headers are in, all the hardware's tight. I just got to put the wheel wells back on and the wheels, and it should be good to go. Except I did run into one problem. That big old X pipe they brought me, that one I won't be able to actually install it because I don't have a welder and I don't have metal to make up hangers, you know. If I did, I'd be more than happy to just do it, but I don't have any of the exhaust tools here with me, so I won't be able to put this X pipe on. So the exhaust actually just ends at the headers itself. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to turn it on. I called my buddy and he said that if it's drivable, he just doesn't want to drive it if it's way too loud. If it is, he's just gonna get it towed out of here. But like I said, I can't put that X pipe on because of that. I don't have a welder and I don't have the tools, and I don't have material to make hangers up right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to start it, and let's see what this thing sounds like. This thing's gonna be pretty fucking loud, I ain't even gonna lie. All right, so I'm with the Dodge right now. I literally just got done with it, just test drove it, and it's pretty goddamn loud. Like I said, there's no exhaust. The exhaust literally ends at the headers. But anyways, here's the truck. It's changed a little bit since the last time it was here. Last night, which would be Saturday, last night it was like 5:30 when he hit me up, and then like around 7 o'clock he swapped these wheels out because he made a trade, and then I had to cut the catalytic converters off and the white pipe because that was part of the trade as well. But anyways, that's beyond the point. The truck looks good with the drag radials on. Not a bad looking truck, but like I said, I can't get that X pipe on there because I don't have the right tools. I don't have a welder and I have material to fabricate some hangers, but that's all right because he's gonna take that to an exhaust shop and it's gonna be mint. Other than that, that's pretty much it for today. I sold the truck, like I said earlier. That's pretty much, that thing's gone, which I feel so bad about now. I kind of do regret it, but then I don't regret it. It's just one of those bittersweet moments, you know. But anyways, on to better and bigger things. Let me go ahead and clean up my mess here because I got tools laying around. I got put all his parts back in the bed. As you can see, I got my old sound system here. I got it out the truck, so now that's just gonna sit until my next build. I have no idea what I'm gonna get next. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe a Tahoe. I don't want to get a car. I don't feel comfortable in a car. It just drives me nuts. But we'll see what's my next thing. I don't know, maybe a car, maybe a Tahoe, maybe a Suburban, maybe another truck. We'll see. I'm thinking about going diesel this time, but I don't want to do payments and shit. So I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever I upload another vlog, because I think for today it's just gonna be one full vlog. And yeah, so let me go ahead and clean up. I'll catch you guys on the next one.